Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the best top tricks of your MARSHALL WOBURN III speaker. So as you might know, Marshall is subjectively, in my opinion, the best speakers company on the market right now. So we do have a lot of top tricks here. At first, we have the application, just dedicated application for our Marshall speaker, which is called the Marshall Bluetooth. We can easily pair our speaker with this application, and we do have here a couple of features there. For example, here we do have the equalizer. And here we can manage treble and bass. We have the placement compensation to adjust our speaker for the best surface. And here we do have night mode, which is the very nice feature for me. Night mode uses louder sounds while entering quiet sounds are still audible. Activate this mode when you're connected to your TV with HDMI and keep the neighbors happy. We can enable that using this switch. And that is all for the application. We can close the app right now. And the next top trick is that on the speaker itself we do have a lot of switches. Let me just move it quickly to my camera, and here we can unzoom a little. And here we do have the treble level, and we can easily manage the treble level using our fingers from 0 to 10. The same is with the bass level here and the volume level. If we move slightly towards here, we can see that here we have the button. This button we can move forward with the songs, play and pause, and move backwards. Apart from that, of course, we have some other buttons which are here actually, and here we can plug in our cable, aux cable, jack cable, and we can easily transmit our sound from our PC or laptop or phone without any delay. And here we do have, of course, a source button, and with this source button we can choose our preferred connection mode, which is the Bluetooth one, of course AUX one, which is the RCA one, which is the optical cable, I guess. And here we have the HDMI cable, and it is because this speaker can be connected to the TV. You can easily switch between this with this button. And now to an repair mode, or to switch and make it connected, we have to hold this button. And that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.